All right, so you've gotten a Dewdrop Diffuser and you're not quite sure, how does this thing even work? So I'm here to give you just the very quick how to do this. So when you get it, it looks like this. You're gonna take the top lid off. There is an internal lid that looks kind of like a funnel. You're gonna take that off. Then you're gonna grab some water. And it's really up to you and the direction book that comes with your diffuser, your Dewdrop Diffuser, as to what type of water you use. I actually use the water that is filtered out of my fridge, just to make sure it doesn't have quite so many of the harsh minerals that can build up in my diffuser. If you have really hard tap water, you probably definitely want to perhaps buy spring water or distilled water, but check the manual on your Dewdrop when it comes to you. And then what you're gonna do is fill the water up. Do not go past the little red little disc. That's very important. I recently learned about that. It actually has to do with how the little machine is vibrating and turning the water into vapor. And so you'll notice if you put too much water in, it won't work quite as right. Then all you do is you grab your oil. I'm doing purification here because it's really good at zapping smells. And I had some broccoli that accidentally got left in my microwave over the weekend. Ooh, it smells bad. So we are going to take care of that smell. All right, then what you do, you put that internal funnel back on. You take the other top and you put it on and they line up nicely. Then you've got the cord that you plug in. Maybe I can get mine plugged in. Hold on. Okay, and then there is a button in the back. Just one button. If you press it once, it's gonna turn on and you'll start to see the vapor coming out. It is a cool mist vapor. I do not have any problems with having it on a wood surface. That's actually where I have my diffuser, is on a wood surface. And it's such a fine vapor coming out that I'm not worried about it. If you don't like the blue light and you just hit the button again, it turns off. And if you are gonna be leaving your house and you wanted to turn your diffuser off, you just press the button again and it shuts off. But it will, as the water gets dispersed around the room and is free and gone from the inside, the little metal plate down there will notice and sense that there's no water left and it will just shut itself off. So that is how to use your Dewdrop Diffuser. Sometimes folks ask, well, how many drops of oil do I put in? It's really just up to your personal preference. It depends on how big your room is. If you are diffusing in a little small office or a den or a small little bedroom, you might just want to start with 2 or 3 drops. If you are going to be diffusing like I am in a large area that's very open, maybe it's a kitchen, living room, dining room combo, which is what I have, you may want to do more like 10 drops. It also will depend on what oil you are diffusing. The purification oil that I put in is really great at getting rid of stinky smells. So let's say you have a stinky garage and you want to put your diffuser out there. Maybe you want to start with 8 or 10 drops and really zap that smell. If you're in your kitchen and you just cooked some bacon and you want to get rid of that smell, then, you know, maybe again like 4 or 5 drops. Some of our oils are not quite as kind of a overpowering smell, would you say? And so you maybe can use more drops. So it just really depends. So have fun with that. Post any questions that you've got down below. Thanks.